tawagan? Dahil ba may kailangan lang sa'yo? Mangungutang lang ba? Hihingi lang pambili ng sapatos para sa bagong kadate? Ay, grabe. Natawag dyan. Kasi tumatawag pero hindi mo alam kung magkakabalikan pa kayo or hindi na. Ang tawag dyan, #paasa. Okay? So para talagang wala ng paasa, talagang tapusin mo na. Kasi paano mo mahahanap si Y kung si X nandyan pa, di ba? Ay, grabe. So itong next song, I believe these are the final words that you have to say to your ex. Para talagang wala nang tawagan, wala nang utangan, hingian ng pera, Gcash, or whatever. Ito talaga yun eh. Pag tumawag, ito na yung sabihin mo. Ano pa yan? Ay, maraming relate. Oh my gosh. Maraming tinatawag-tawagan ng ex. Sorry. Yes, I could be the one who could give you love, the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I will always stand with you. But baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that that would be a lie. I don't believe it. Now I don't make you sa boses ko isang ko. I hope someday you can find somewhere to understand. Oh, it's too endless for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart, I know this is the kindest thing to do. Baby, it tears me up inside. But I'll never be the ito ang pinaka-paborito kong linya. Sabi niya, Baby, it's parang ayaw ibaba. I love you.